Like if we don't know swimming, can we go for scuba?
Yeah, of course. She doesn't know swimming. I've taken her for diving.
हाय, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल हैवलॉग डायरीज। आज हम लोग एक वीडियो बनाने वाले हैं जो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होने वाला है। आज का वीडियो होने वाला है अबाउट स्कूबा डाइविंग। So if you're coming down to Havelock, scuba is must. And if you're going for scuba, you must know these points. So we have just jotted down few of the points, important points and informative points for you guys. We'll straight away get into the video, but before that, हम लोग का intro. My name is Naomi and he is
Prashant.
and he is a scuba diver. So हम लोग को थोड़ा सा था knowledge. Let's share it. The first point says that you should be medically fit if you want to do scuba.
Okay. थोड़ा पहले ना अपने कैमरा मैं अपने तरफ कर ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा बात करूँगा आज, वो सिर्फ पॉइंट्स बताएगी। ओके, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट मेडिकल पार्ट। ओके फ्रेंड्स, मेडिकल में बहुत चीज़ें हैं जैसे कि अस्थमा, बीपी, if anyone is expecting or if anyone is pregnant, right? अगर आप लोगों को डायबिटीज़ है and if you are taking some kind of medicines regular basis पे, you should not go for scuba diving, but you have an option. अगर आप लोग डॉक्टर्स के पास एक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लेके आते हैं, डॉक्टर सेइंग that you can go for a dive, you are fit for the dive, you can definitely go for diving with us, no problem there. But somewhere I will just say, if you are not medically fit, please avoid scuba diving.
Okay, so the next point says you have to fill up a liability form before going for scuba.
So yes, of course you have to fill up a liability release form. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, आप लोग डॉक्टर्स प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ला सकते हैं। सो अगर आप लोग डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लाते हैं, हम लोग उसको लाइब्रेरी फॉर्म के साथ अटैच कर देंगे। क्यों हम लोग को ये करना है? क्योंकि वी आर नॉट टेकिंग रिस्क ऑफ योर लाइफ, यू आर टेकिंग योर लाइफ रिस्क एंड गोइंग फॉर स्कूबा डाइविंग। बिकॉज आप लोग ऑनेस्टली हम लोग को बताने वाले हैं दैट यू आर फिट फॉर द डाइव और नॉट। क्योंकि द मोमेंट यू कम इन टू अ डाइव सेंटर, दे विल बी गिविंग यू अ फॉर्म, they will be giving you the medical questionnaire, you have to go through it, you have to fill up everything, and after we see that you are fit for the dive, you have signed the library release papers, then only you can go for scuba diving.
Okay, so what's the age limit for scuba?
Okay, age limit जो है is kids above 8 years, you can definitely go for scuba diving, and those who are still young and below 60, you can go for scuba diving.
Yes. Okay, so the next point is, can non-swimmers go for scuba?
Yes, non-swimmers can definitely go for scuba diving because there is no need of you to go scuba diving. Happy good news आप लोग के लिए, good news for us as well, क्योंकि जिन लोग को स्विमिंग आती है उन लोग पानी के नीचे जाने से बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं और उन लोग अपने तरफ जाने की कोशिश करते हैं और हम लोग उसको दूसरी तरफ ले जाने की कोशिश करते हैं। पानी के नीचे मारपीट भी लग जाता है कभी कभी। So just jokes apart, actually you don't need to know swimming because that is our part, that our duty. We will be taking you underwater and we will show you everything. We'll explore it together and we will bring you back safe.
Okay, so the next point is, if a woman is having jumps or periods, can she go for scuba?
Yes, definitely you guys can go for scuba diving. Yes, it's a natural thing, it's very normal, no worries there. So the wetsuit that you're wearing, it's a protection wear, it's pretty thick, so it is actually, we wear that to keep you warm underwater, and as I'm saying, the material is thick, so no kind of leakage or something, don't think like that. So it's pretty normal, you can definitely enjoy scuba diving.
Yay! We can do scuba in jumps.
Yay, girls!
Woo!
Girl power!
Woman power.
Oh, yeah, woman power, girls power also. Okay.
Acha, okay. So the next point says that you should not consume alcohol or any kind of drugs if you're going for scuba.
Yes, please don't be intoxicated in alcohol or drugs before going for scuba diving. If you are okay, like मैं ऐसे बोलना चाहूँगा कि लोग वेकेशन में आते हैं, they want to chill around, they want to relax, they drink, they booze, no problem there. But you should not be drinking prior 8 hours prior to your diving. Okay, so आपका last peg या last drink आप लोग हिसाब कर लीजिए, उस हिसाब से आप लोग ड्रिंक करिए। So, but not 8 hours prior to the diving.
Like you should not go in the hangover, right?
Yes,
Your
you
friend
should
is
not come into hangover, or you should not drink early in the morning if you are planning for to go for scuba diving. क्योंकि अगर आप लोग ये करते हैं, if you are intoxicated, straight away we will tell you, sorry sir or sorry ma'am, we cannot take you
Cancel.
for the dive.
saying. Okay, so the next point is a pretty important one. That is, you should not use a sunscreen or any cosmetics when you're going for scuba.
Yes, you should not use sunscreen because it is a pollutant to the marine life. It is harmful for the marine life. क्योंकि कोरल्स जब भी आप पानी में घुसते हैं, थोड़ा सा तो पानी में डिजॉल्व हो ही जाता है आपका सनस्क्रीन. सो क्या होता है, जो कोरल्स के पास जब वो जाते हैं, जब कोरल्स उसको कंज्यूम करते हैं, they are unable to fertilize. The corals stop growing from there, and it also affects the fish life. So आप लोग एक खूबसूरती देखने आ रहे हैं, maybe 2-3 years after, अगर आप लोग ऐसे ही यूज़ करते रहेंगे 2-3 years after, जो आप लोग ने देख के गए थे वो आप लोग को फिर और देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. So please try to avoid this, and you can just search in Google,
Yes,
and you
right.
can see what kind of sunscreen that you can use. You can use natural products but not chemical products. It's a request from a diver's point. Please don't do this. ये हम लोग का रोजगारी भी है और मुझे बहुत पसंद भी है ये जगह. मुझे डाइव करना with the marine life. Please avoid.
Okay, so the next point says, do not touch anything when you're going for scuba.
Yes, please don't touch. Human touch is harmful for the marine life. It can be harmful for you as well. So better not to touch that. Keep your hands to yourself. The photographer आप लोग के सामने आता है for your videos and photos. You can definitely go wild, go crazy, poses दीजिए, ये वो जो भी करना है करिए, and definitely click good pictures. But please don't try to touch the marine life.
Okay, so the next point is, what is the difference between a boat dive and a shore dive? Okay, I'm just hold on. I want to show you guys something. There's a rainbow जो मुझे अभी दिखाई
Oh,
दिया.
wow, wow.
So just camera घुमा दो थोड़ा सा.
Okay, guys, check this out.
Yay! See, there's a rainbow. Wow.
There's a rainbow going there. नीचे से एक डोंगी जा रहा है, मच्छी पकड़ के आ रहा है वो पूरा. And that's the rainbow. Wow, it's beautiful. Huh? Okay, now in a boat dive, what happens? We give you the training in shallow water, and then we are taking you to the deeper waters in mid-ocean. So we are going by a boat over there, and then we are going to go for a dive. And the difference in the and what we do in the shore dive is, we will give you the training in the shallow water only, and after that we'll be straight away towing you inside, and slowly we get in the deeper waters. So the training is also different in shore dive and boat dive. In boat dive, as we are going in much deeper waters than the shore dive, what happens, the training process is much lengthier, and to make you more comfortable for the boat dive, so that you don't panic the moment you jump in the water.
Okay, so the next point is a question, very important one for me. Can we wear glasses when we are going for scuba, or like
Oh
contact
yes,
lenses?
absolutely
Oh,
you
wow.
can, but
Okay.
you cannot go with the specs. You have to remove that,
Okay.
and we will be providing you a power glass.
Okay.
And with my dive center, I can provide till -9, guys. Okay, so no worries there. You'll be able to see everything underwater with those power glasses. Sorry, it should be called power mask. So you'll be able to see everything underwater, and it is only needed who have more than -3. Till -9 we support, and you can definitely go for diving. If you are planning to wear contacts, I will suggest you don't wear contacts, because we are providing you the power mask. So but still, if someone wants to wear the lenses you can, but what happens if the water goes inside your mask,
It will burn,
it will irritate and the contacts will be not, I guess it will be
No.
uncomfortable
It won't be
for you.
comfortable, yeah.
So no need, we have it. Okay.
So the last point is we should drink ample amount of water before going for scuba.
Yes, please drink some water, eat something
You want
before the
some?
dive. Yeah, I मैंने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया, थोड़ा सा मैं भी पानी पी लेता हूँ, though I'm not going for dive. Okay, so yes, you should drink some water, eat something before you go for the dive. Why I'm telling you this? Because when you're going for scuba diving, you are breathing compressed air, and that is dry. The air is dry, so you are diving for at least 30 minutes underwater. Your throat will get dry after some time. So that is why I'm asking you to drink ample water before you go for the dive.
Okay. So here that these were the points which we jogged down, which we really thought a lot about, and this was all about scuba diving. I hope these points were helpful for you, and if he would like to add something from your part, like when the guests are coming, they're going off, anything you want to give?
Yeah,
any
one thing
suggestion or
I
anything?
want to tell the guests or whoever is coming for the dive, first thing is please don't do makeup, especially for the beautiful ladies, the gorgeous ladies. I'm telling you, you're already looking beautiful. You don't need the makeup, you're already gorgeous. So jokes apart, especially why I'm telling you this, because you are putting lipstick and you are coming for the dive. So मैं एक चीज़ आप लोग को दिखाना चाहता हूँ, जो चीज़ से आप लोग ब्रीथ करते हैं. So this is a mouthpiece.
Okay.
So this goes inside your mouth like this. Okay. So जब आप लोग लिपस्टिक पहने हुए हैं तो क्या होता है, लिपस्टिक में लिपस्टिक लग जाता है यहाँ पे. So it is pretty tough for us उसको वापस हटाना, क्योंकि of course हम लोग equipments wash करते हैं for the next guest, अच्छे से sanitize करते हैं, but ये उठाने में काफ़ी time लग जाता है. And we don't want to keep your memory. You can take the memory back with you, but we really don't want the memory with us. So please try to avoid the makeup and come for dive. And last but not the least, those who are coming for scuba diving, make sure, keep it in mind that you are not flying within 24 hours.
Okay.
You should not fly after a dive within 24 hours. So whatever you have the plans, plan it accordingly and then come for scuba diving.
Okay.
I hope that is all. आप लोगों को ये information काफ़ी अच्छा लगा हो, और आई एम श्योर कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा लगा ही होगा, क्योंकि ये questions बहुत आते हैं, बहुत पूछते हैं लोग कि क्या होना चाहिए, कैसा होना चाहिए. So here it is, and I hope you will follow these, and see you soon for the dive, guys.
Okay.
See you underwater. Bye.